Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am AnjelMae. So for today's video, I am going to do this rainbow butterfly eye makeup. Stay tuned and I'll be back. First thing, I'm going to prime my eyes. I am using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm just blending it with my damp beauty blender. Now I'm setting it with my Revolution setting powder to avoid some creases later. Now I'm using my small flat brush and making this curved line, and this will be my guide later on for my butterfly wing and for my rainbow color.